So this is my amp, and it's got like all these different settings, and I'll just show you through them. So this is the switch that kind of differs between a clean and a distorted sound. So you can't really hear it, but that's what it sounds like normally. And then if I were to press it, it's obviously much more louder and more gainy. And then that's the volume. Hold on. The volume's right here, and the volume is just self-explanatory. You can either like turn it up or turn it down. The bass is there, and the bass is the low frequencies, so it gives it more like a boomy, bassier sound. The treble was the higher frequencies, so that would be good if you're like using more like a different genre of music, like maybe surf or like blues possibly, because that's what they're mainly using their guitar solos. And then that's literally the clean section on this amp. And then if we go to this one, this is a distorted sound. So if I just press this, that button comes on just to show it's distorted. And again, this is a gain in that like it kind of lets you allow like how distorted you want it to be in a way. So if you want it tinny, if you want it grainier, and all that kind of stuff. And then the bass again is just the low frequency, sorry. And then on all Marshall amps they have a thing called a contour, and the contour is the not really sure what it is, but I know it's the mid, and it can either give you a clean or a sharper sound. And then the treble again is the higher frequencies, and then volume, and then up here you have the effects, and that's reverb, delay, chorus, and flange. And this button allows you to like kind of like preset how much you want the sound to be, and then that just like makes the effect sound stronger. So oh, I forgot. Ooh. But yeah, that's really it. And then I'll just like, sorry, my lead's cracking. So if you want to turn the reverb up, you would just click reverb and turn the effects all the way up. I forgot to say in the video, but I unplugged my guitar. But anyway, you can either control the bass or the treble on my guitar as well. So you can have it either like centered more to the treble side or more to the bass. And that says rhythm, but it is just essentially bass. And then if you go down here, you have all these like little like knob things, and then these just allow you to like change between the tones, I guess. Yeah, and that's it. Yeah. I also forgot to say that I've got these two PV subwoofers, and they're basically the same as an amp, but just a lot louder. I'm not going to plug them in, because if I were to plug them in, they'd just make like a ridiculous amount of noise. But you plug them in via an XLR connection at the back, and then you like just put them into a PA system, and you can control them via a desk or whatever. And they're basically essentially just like a huge amp, but you can't control it via like that. Well, you can in a way, because at the back I can't reach the back, they're against the wall. But you can like control the volume and adjust like the noise and stuff. And yeah, that's it.